Alright, this is level 2, the first example, and I'm going to show you the math way of balancing equations. These are going to get a little bit harder than level 1, but many people still like to do the math way. So you're going to list your elements right here in the middle. We have K, O, B, E, and I. On the left, we've got 2 K's, 1 O, 1 BE, and 2 I's. In the products, we have 1 K, we have one of everything because we have no subscripts. So we look at the 2 that aren't balanced. We're going to focus on K and I. This side has 2 and the product side only has 1. So we will put a 2 in front of KI. Update both the K and the I to 2. We see everything is balanced now. So we got 1, 1, 2, 1. In the next example, we only have N and O. Reactants, our subscripts are 2 and 5. Products, 2 and 2. So we're going to work on O first because the reactants have 5 and the products have 2. The only way to get that to balance is to get 10 on each side. So we are going to put a 5 in front of O2, and that is now 10. And then we're going to put a 2 in front of N2O5, and we're going to update our N to 4 and our O to 10 because we know that it's 2 of the entire formula. So we have to distribute to both. So this one, the subscripts are 2, 1, or the coefficients are 2, 1, 5. In the third example, we have Li, N, Al, and O. Reactants, we use our subscripts. We have 3, 1, 2, and 3. Products, 2, our N 1, our Al has 1, and our O has 1. So I've got a lot of places to start here. I'm just going to pick Li since I have it listed first. 3 and 2. Only way to balance 3 and 2 is with a coefficient of 2, which changes Li to 6 and N to 2 on the reactant side. And I'm going to need a 3 in front of Li2O, which will change this Li to 6 and this O to 3. So I wasn't necessarily trying to fix O, but I just balanced it. I have 3 on each side now. We'll look at Al next. This side has 2 and the product side only has 1. So I'm going to go to the side that I need more of. I'm going to add a 2 to ALN. So now AL is 2, N is 2, and I think that makes everything work. My Li, I have 6 on each side, N 2, AL 2 on each side, and O 3 on each side. So my coefficients are 2, 1, 3, 2. We have our final example of level 2. We've got Mg, Cl, K, and P. Use our subscripts to do our inventory on the reactants. We have 1 Mg, 2 Cls, 3 Ks, and 1 P. On the product side, we have 1 K, 1 Cl, 3 Mgs, and 2 Ps. In this example, we can start anywhere because none of our elements are balanced. So I'll just start with Mg. I'm going to go to my reactant side because I only have 1. Add a 3 in there. which will change my Mg reactants to 3 and my Cl reactants to 6, because I'm going to distribute to both. Alright, I'm going to work on Cl next. The reactant side has 6 now that I just added my 3. So my product side only has 1. So I'm going to put a 6 in front of KCl, which will update Cl to 6 and K to 6. I'm going to take a look at K next. The product side has 6 now, and my reactants only have 3. So I need a 2, which will update my reactant K to 6 and my reactant P to 2. And I believe that made everything balanced. Mg has 3 on each side, Cl has 6 on each side, K has 6 on each side, and P 2 on each side. So my coefficients are 3, 2, 6, 1.